The YINGDIKE Pergola Brackets Kit, YD-PB-15, is specifically designed to offer enhanced stability for slanted roofs, ensuring your pergola remains sturdy even in harsh weather conditions. This kit is perfect for wall-mounted gazebos, providing reliable attachment to walls and maximizing stability with its 15-degree and 90-degree bases. Constructed from premium thickened galvanized steel, these brackets offer superior corrosion resistance, durability, and strength compared to traditional carbon steel options. The kit features a baking paint finish, which provides a denser protective layer and smoother surface than powder coatings, ensuring better adhesion and durability. The slotting and edge-fold design of the brackets improves air circulation, making assembly easier and preventing beam rot, thereby extending the lifespan of your pergola. Overall, the YINGDIKE Pergola Brackets Kit, YD-PB-15, combines innovative design and high-quality materials to deliver a reliable and long-lasting solution for your outdoor structures.